Have you ever had that feeling? That deep, heavy realization that you're just done? You feel like you need to quit your job, move to a new country, or delete your entire existence and start over. Before you sell your house or pack your bags, I want you to consider something radical. You don't actually hate your life. You hate your routine. You hate the way you spend your Tuesdays. You hate the way you wake up and the way you go to sleep. Welcome back to Next Level You. This is where we stop chasing the someday and start building the today. If you're ready to stop feeling stuck and start evolving, let's go. We are obsessed with the big reset. We think a new city will make us a new person. But here is the cold, hard truth. Wherever you go, there you are. If your current routine is built on scrolling for 2 hours every morning and eating junk food while watching Netflix every night, you will eventually do that in Paris, too. You'll just be doing it in a more expensive apartment. Science calls this hedonic adaptation. Your brain gets used to big changes fast. But your daily habits? Those are the architecture of your identity. They don't just fill your time. They create your mood. So, how do we fix this without blowing up our lives? We start with an audit. Look at your average Tuesday. Happiness isn't found in the peaks. It's found in the baseline. If you feel gray all the time, it's because your routine has leaks. Checking your emails or social media the second you wake up. You've let the world choose your mood before you've even brushed your teeth. Next Level You isn't about working 24/7. It's about being intentional. If your routine feels like a cage, it's because you built the bars yourself. You don't have to control your whole day. Life happens. Meetings run over, kids get sick, things break. But you must control your bookends. The morning bookend is about setting the tone. 15 minutes of movement, 5 minutes of silence, and 1 deep work task. The evening bookend is about the download. Review the day, set the big 3 goals for tomorrow, and get off the blue light. When you fix the beginning and the end, the middle, the life part, becomes much easier to handle. Stop waiting for a life-changing event to save you. You are the event. Change the way you spend your Tuesday, and I promise you'll stop wishing for a different life. If this hit home for you, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm that this community is growing. And if you're ready to join us on the journey to becoming your best version, subscribe to Next Level You. I want to hear from you in the comments. What is one habit in your current routine that you are deleting starting tomorrow? I'll see you in the next one. Let's go.